Caribbean Development Bank's Basic Needs Trust Fund, in collaboration with global and regional partners, brought together over 60 community development professionals from 14 Caribbean countries for a transformative week of training in Jamaica.
We have had representatives from all 9 of the BNTF countries, and they have been introduced to the digitization of data using the KoboToolbox.
A main feature of the workshop was the World Bank's Geo-Enabling initiative for monitoring and supervision, GEMS, a capacity-building program which uses cost-free open-source tools such as KoboToolbox.
GEMS is an extremely impactful program because it enables governments and other local stakeholders around the world to set up customized digital data collection and analysis systems or digital monitoring systems. And through this, it has brought a lot of accountability into project implementation, service delivery, inclusion. It has really helped to get eyes on the ground where you cannot always have feet on the ground, giving them real-time information on what is happening in the field.
All of this gives us a better handle on the data collection process, the authenticity of the data, the longevity of the data, in that we know it is reliable, it is accurate.
The GEMS training is what exactly the Caribbean needs with respect to addressing the shortcomings that we have in poverty eradication.
The workshop participants got an opportunity to apply their learning, from asset mapping in Brownstown to beneficiary surveys in Mendestown.
There are 775 communities that we work with, and so what we started to do in 2012 is to really identify the assets or the resources or the things that are of value or importance to our communities.
In order for us to achieve our goals of having the economic development met, we have to have accurate data. And so it's very critical what the CDB is doing with the development of the Kobo software.
With KoboToolbox on board, we would be able to collect data in a more real-time manner. We can better understand the communities and what needs to be done in terms of planning and development and moving forward.
The project was basically about rehabilitating the Mendestown Farm Road. So before the project, it was in a very deplorable condition.
Before the new road built, it was very hectic for the farmers because we used to have to travel a good distance from the farm to the road with the goods and the sticks. Since the Mendestown Farm Road has built, it's much easier for us farmers. We use the donkey less and we get the sticks much easier to the farms.
Two main impacts is we and our children get into the main to go to our businesses, and the farmers getting out their produce to go to the market. Oh my God, it's like we're in heaven now. The farmers, they got it a lot easier because they would have to put the load on the donkeys, but now the donkeys are on holiday. When we are going up to the street, we have to carry 2 shoes. When we reach the main, we would change up. But my God, since the road have been there, it's a blessing.
Today's experience was very rewarding, seeing the satisfaction and getting first-hand knowledge from residents as to the benefits they have derived from the implementation of this sub-project. We were taught how to develop proper questions for the KoboToolbox application, and really using it in community today helps us understand how we can improve on our questioning, ensuring that we gather the information that we really need.
It was good interacting with the community members to see how satisfied they were with the project, and just to see the smiles on their faces and them relating how beneficial the project was. That was a very good experience.
No more mud. No more grass, no more tears, no more crying again. Thank you, Lord, for CDB.
The training has been quite useful, and I think it will improve the capacity of countries in the Caribbean to do poverty analysis and to allow them to put strategies and programs together to address the issue of poverty.
I give a thumbs up for KoboTool, and we definitely will use it in St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
I'm definitely excited about this workshop, just as the other 60 participants from across the region. And I'm also even more excited about what they will do upon their return to their respective countries.
We will be continuing to build capacity, not only in our BNTF countries, but across the projects and programs and technical assistance projects financed by the Caribbean Development Bank.
Once we listen to people and try to respond to their needs in a meaningful way, that is when development happens.